So first, let's talk about different measurement tool. So the first one is micrometer, and the second one is Vernier caliper. The third one is tape measure, in which you should be very familiar with. And Vernier caliper can be a little bit tricky on the reading as well as the micrometers. So this is the structure of a Vernier caliper. We have a min scale, and then we have a Vernier scale, and some people call it a secondary scale. So just notice that when somebody says secondary scale, it means Vernier scale. How do we read a Vernier caliper? The first thing is we need to read the min scale, and then we need to read the secondary scale measurement. Lastly, we need to add up the two measurements together. So I will take you to an online simulation and show you how to read a Vernier caliper. So this is a online simulation to a Vernier caliper, and it allows you to practice your reading of Vernier caliper. I will post a link of this website in the description, and now I will show you how to read a Vernier caliper. So let's just shuffle this. So we need to read the min scale first. So here should give us, you see this line, so this should give us a reading of 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.8 centimeters, in which is equal to 28 milliliters. And then we need to read the secondary scale. So we need to find the line in which the first scale and the secondary scale line up. So it probably is this line. And this is 4 milliliters. So add up the min scale and the secondary scale. The reading should give us 28.4 milliliters, I think. And let's check the answer. Yeah, we are right. Great. And then let's do another one. So read the min scale first. This should give us a 49 milliliters. And then we need to read the secondary scale. So let's find the perfect line. Where is it? Probably here. So this gives us I think this is this line, not this line, right? So this should give us 5 milliliters. So when we add up the two scales, it should give us 49.5 milliliters. Actually, it's this line. Sorry guys. So let's do another one. So this coming up. So read the min scale first. This is 34 milliliters, and then find the perfect line. Is here, I think. This is 4 milliliters. So when we add up the two scale, it should give us the answer of 34.4 milliliters. And let's check the answer. Yeah, we are right. So this is how you read a Vernier caliper. Now let's take a look at how to read a micrometers. So this is an online simulation as well, and I will post the link of the simulation on the description later. So now let's take a look at how to read micrometers, and this is an online simulation as well. So I will post a link of this website in the description. So to read the micrometers, we need to read this part first. So the smallest precision of the simulation is 100 milliliters, meaning that here this part, the precision is 0.5 milliliters. So here this line will be 1 milliliters, 2 milliliters, 3 milliliters, and 4 milliliters. And then we need to read this part. So here this line, here is 0.5 milliliters, because remember the smallest precision is hundreds milliliters. So here is 0.05 milliliters, and here will be 0.06 milliliters, and here will be 0.07 milliliters. And when you add up the two readings, the reading should be 4.007 milliliters, and let's check the answer. Yeah, it is 4.07 milliliters. So let's track this and change a little bit. I think we can see the answer. Let's do it again. So we need to read this part first. So 1 milliliters, 2 milliliters, 3 milliliters, and 4 milliliters. And then we need to read this part. So this gives us 0.25 milliliters, and then here 0.26, 0.27. So the reading should be 4.27 milliliters, I think. And let's check the answer. Yeah, you're right. And then let's do the last one. Track. So let's read this part first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 milliliters. Just notice that here has another line. So this should be 4.5 milliliters. Be careful with this. And then let's read this part. This is 20 milliliters. So 21, 22. So this is 22 milliliters. And this actually this is 0.2 milliliters, and this is 4.5 milliliters. So this should give us 4.72 milliliters, I think. Yeah, you're right. So this is how we read in micrometers.